Hello everyone. Here I am to discuss the answer key of section B grammar of class 10 set 1 Cbse. The first question is error and correction in which could is an error, the correction is will, because if the therapy is given by a qualified professional, it will be sure that people will learn how to make better food choices. Therefore, the error is could and the correction is will. Second one, please keep me apprising of your next step to address this matter. Thanks for your time. So we say that please keep me reminding, please keep me telling about this. So we have to go with the gerund form. Third one, have you ever been to Peribak? So Pushkar asked if she had ever been to Peribak. So Pushkar asked Sunanta if she had ever been to Peribak. The fourth one, the answer is option D, because but this new medicine is great is the direct speech, and we have to change this into that, and is present into past tense was, and therefore the option D is correct. Fifth one, are you living a happy life? Do you want to find your identification? Do you want to enhance your career? So here the error is identification. So do you want to find your identification? There is a difference between identify and identification. Identify is done by ourselves and identification is done by the society, and here it's about oneself, and therefore the error is identification, the correction is identify. Sorry, identity, not identify, sorry. Identification is error and identity is the correction. So identification is done by somebody, identity is done by ourselves, oneself. The sixth one answer is insure, because it's about financial backup and we go with insurance. It comes from the word insurance and it will not be assure and ensure. And the seventh one is option D is the correct answer, because it is not plural, it is not singular form, it is plural, and therefore we go with option D. The eighth one is I has will not come, had will not come, and have been is the correct answer, and the other forms is naturally or wrong. The ninth one, Aronima asked Saumitra what he was staring at. Saumitra exclaimed that he was in awe of the beautiful painting and that she had not have not, so we have to change into had, and that he had not seen anything like that before. So we have to change have not into had not and this into that. Tenth one, the answer is will be issuing, because it's something that is going to happen in future for some couple of time, and therefore we go with future continuous tense. The 11th one is when it gets really hot, rain ought to be a blessing. So when we compare and see both obligation must and ought to be, out of this ought to be gives much stress, and therefore we go with option D. But if you have chosen must be, if you have chosen must be, let's wait and see whether the CBSE is going to give mark for both C and D. The 12th one, a properly installed and maintained antivirus program may wipe out any malware attack, be it a bot, a virus, a Trojan, or even ransomware. So here the error is may, because if it is going to be a properly done work, that will surely will clean all the virus, that will not, that the impact will be for sure, and therefore we will go with the model verb will. So the error is may, and the model verb is will. Thank you. If you have any comments or clarifications, you may post your comments in my comment box. Thank you.